Ready to learn how to drop your blood sugar and lower it naturally? This is the fastest way that I can support you around lowering your blood sugar levels. Hello, I'm Dr. Holly Donahue. I am a New Hampshire board certified and root cause naturopathic doctor. I help high performers, leaders, C-suite executives, and goal-oriented individuals like yourself decide what your body's saying so that you can age well, you can feel amazing, and you can live with high energy and vitality. Aren't you ready to do that right now? Because this is what I love. So let's talk about how can you bring your sugar down in a quick but healthy manner. These simple hacks can drop your sugar and even help you switch into a fat burning mode faster than almost anything I've ever seen. Number one, high intensity interval training, even just in a few minutes of using your slow twitch, high twitch muscles, high intensity movements with rest periods, like burpees. We all love burpees, like sprints, rebounders. You can bike really quickly and then slow down, or even jump squats. All of these can skyrocket your blood sugar control. Your muscles utilize a sugar like a sponge when they are working out and pushing hard for you. And the high intensity interval training depletes excess sugar in your blood faster than a walk ever could. But I'm still not saying don't walk after dinner or a meal because that is the best way to keep your body moving. Number two, apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water right after a high carb meal can help lower your post meal blood sugar spike up to 34%. That's thanks to acetic acid, which actually helps your muscles absorb more glucose and can blunt what I call the blood sugar roller coaster ride. There are also targeted supplements, but please note that I'm not diagnosing and treating you here. I'm sharing information. So always check with your practitioner because believe it or not, if you don't need the supplement, you can hurt yourself. So certain supplements can really act like blood sugar regulators without the side effects of medications. Berberine is my most favorite that I use with all my patients with prediabetes and high blood sugar. It is a natural compound that actually can mimic metformin. It might not have the brain protective components like metformin, but it very much acts like it. N-acetylcysteine, otherwise known as NAC, helps your redox pathways. It helps with oxidative stress, decreasing it. And lastly, my third one, just for this show, is alpha lipoic acid. This supports nerve protection and your glucose transport. And if you've had a carb heavy day, don't forget your B1 because sugar will deplete it fast, which can lead to anxiety, fat storage, and that wired but tired feeling. Number four, go for a post-meal walk. We talked about it in number one. It is so simple but powerful. And I do this every night, not only for stress release, but to lower my blood sugar. A 25 to 30-minute walk after eating can help burn off excess sugar before it gets stored as fat or it turns into cholesterol, especially helpful after those special cheat meals you have. And yes, if you see your colleagues going for a walk at lunch, maybe you should join them because it clears your mind and it sets you up for a better afternoon. Number five, potassium, magnesium, and salt. You need potassium to move glucose into your cells. Without it, your body's going to call for more insulin, and that vicious cycle continues. Magnesium, magnesium, magnesium. It is essential for insulin production, and you need it for so many cycles in your body. And nearly every diabetic is deficient in it. And don't forget good quality, healthy sea salt, not your iodized table salt. It can help reduce your stress induced blood sugar spikes and even improve your sleep. Ketones, they are fuel for the brain. They are molecules that your body produces when it burns fat for fuel. So here's the key. Instead of sugar, you burning sugar and glucose, when you fuel your brain with ketones instead of glucose, you reduce the brain's demand for sugar. That means you have less brain fog, more mental clarity, and better metabolic flexibility. Who doesn't want that? Once you add a pinch of sea salt to your evening water or meal, you can make a big difference. Stress spikes your blood sugar, and salt helps buffer that stress response. So, next time you're feeling wired at night, try try just a little bit of Himalayan sea salt and notice the shift. And here's a bonus one for you. Dry fasting. This is the big gun. Dry fasting, no food or water for just a short time can drop blood sugar even faster than water fasting. But be careful. If you do have prediabetes or diabetes, it could cause challenges. So only do this with a practitioner. By creating mild dehydration, your body will trigger hormonal responses that help lower glucose, raise your growth hormone, and switch on fat burning. That is an advanced technique. So don't start here if you're truly just beginning your journey. I want to talk about root cause. Quick fixes are great in a pinch, but if you're constantly dealing with sugar crashes or cravings or energy dips, it's time to go deeper. And please note that I'm constantly doing 5-day sugar detoxes to transform your body and your life. Okay, that will help you. I created a membership called Pocket Doc. This is my online course that helps you get to the root cause of symptoms like blood sugar issues, fatigue, cardiovascular disease, brain fog, hormone imbalances, and even emotional pieces that we all get to work on. It is designed to help you decode your messages and start healing naturally with no guesswork, no endless supplement experiments. The link is in my bio if you want to check it out and read what students are saying. It's one of the most impactful programs I ever created, and people absolutely love it. You're getting me live twice a month. You're also getting audios from me 8 times a month, twice a week, plus handouts that I actually use in the clinic. But here's my final thought. The biggest tip I can give you is stay consistent, accountability, and the more stable your nutrition and habits are, the less you'll need these hacks that I shared above. I cannot wait to see you again because when you show up, I know that you are truly doing the deep healing. I am sending you so much love. And here's to getting to the root cause of what your condition is. And have an amazing day.